Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on replacing the keyboard on the HP 15s-fq laptop. In this video, we will guide you through each step, ensuring you have all the necessary tools and knowledge to complete the replacement successfully. First, let's gather the tools you will need for this task. You will require a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger or prying tool, and a clean microfiber cloth for any dusting or cleaning. If you're unsure about performing this task, remember, we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, before we start, make sure your laptop is powered off and disconnected from any power source. It's also a good idea to remove the battery if your model allows it. This ensures your safety and prevents any accidental short circuits during the process. Next, flip the laptop over to access the bottom panel. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the bottom cover. Be sure to keep track of which screws belong where, as they may vary in size. After removing the screws, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the bottom cover. Be careful not to damage the clips that hold it in place. Once the back cover is removed, locate the keyboard connector on the motherboard. You will see a flat ribbon cable connected to it. Carefully detach this cable by lifting the connector latch. If you're uncomfortable with this step, don't hesitate to reach out for our pickup and delivery service at your home. We can handle the repair for you. Now, to remove the keyboard, you may find additional screws or clips holding it in place. If there are screws, remove them using the Phillips screwdriver. If it's clipped in, gently pry it up using the plastic spudger. Take your time with this, as applying too much force can damage the keyboard or the laptop frame. After the keyboard is free, take a moment to clean the area underneath. Use the microfiber cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated. A clean environment is crucial for the longevity of your new keyboard. Now, let's prepare to install the new keyboard. Align it properly with the connector and gently press it down until it clicks into place. Ensure that the keyboard is securely attached before proceeding to reconnect the ribbon cable. Push the connector latch back down to secure it. With the new keyboard in place, it's time to reattach the bottom cover. Align it correctly and gently press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Then, replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring each screw is tightened securely. Finally, if you prefer not to go through this process alone, remember we provide a quote before repair, allowing you to make an informed decision without any surprises. Power on your laptop and test the new keyboard to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for assistance. Thank you for following along, and we hope this guide has been helpful. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.